Hello, good afternoon, guys. Let's start today's first lecture of this course. Okay, I'm starting from a topic. The name of the topic is unit and dimensions. Okay, first write the name of the topic unit and dimensions. Okay, before starting unit and dimension, I will give a brief picture about physical quantity. Okay, I think you have heard about physical quantity. What is it? What is the meaning of physical quantity? Because before moving forward to the go much into depth into the physics, we have to understand that we have to a clear picture about what is the physical quantity, how to define a physical quantity, and what is the type of physical quantity. Okay, a physical quantity is something like you can say uh, we have a seven physical fundamental quantity is there are there like and by using you can help from NCRT like in a SI system we have seven physical quantities: the length and mass and time and temperature, theta, and electrical current, ampere, and luminous intensity CD, and mole MOL. Okay, uh, these are the seven fundamental physical quantities are there. Okay, but in today's class I'm not focusing on what is the how like we are not we don't focus on uh, the writing things like uh, rather than we are focusing on the what is the physical significance of this physical quantity and how to define a physical quantity and types of physical quantity and what is the practical meaning of physical quantity, why we define physical quantity, and these type of question uh, we try to answer it. Okay, and first thing is that we have two type of physical quantity. One is a fundamental physical quantity, and another is the derived physical quantity. Okay, and I think you know about fundamental physical quantity. Derived something you can derive from a fundamental physical quantity. Okay, like these fundamental physical quantity choose as a reference. Okay, you can choose any whatever quantities, but top authors of sciences choose these physical quantity as a reference. So we have to follow these standard. Okay, and now the question is that these are the some physical quantity. Okay, like how to define it. Okay, let's take example. Here a ground block is there. One person is standing here, another is standing here, and this person is asking from this what is the mass of this block, and he he tells the mass of this block is 20 kg. Now the question is that what is the meaning of 200 kg? A 200 kg a measurement of mass physical quantity is a measurement of mass physical quantity. Okay, here a 200 is a numerical value of this physical quantity, and kg is the unit for this physical quantity. Okay, this 20 kg measurement of this physical quantity is in SI unit. Okay, you can convert into one unit to another unit, like you can convert one system another system into FPS system, and SI system, CGS system. Okay, these are there are so many systems is there, and you can refer NCRT to learn about the system. Okay, these are like you have to keep in your mind. You should have a proper knowledge about a physical quantity, and like without, because we we model the physics according to the we model the physics with help of mathematics. Okay, physics is something. Physics is not a mathematics. First, I I will tell you something about physics. So uh, your doubt has been cleared. Your doubt would be cleared. A physics is a not a mathematics. A physics is a not a mathematics. Is a not a mathematics. Okay. First, you should know. Okay, physics is a theoretical subject. Is a theoretical subject. Theoretical is a theoretical subject. But we always try to model the laws of physics in a form of a mathematical equation. That's why. That's why we have to knowledge about we should have a knowledge about a mathematical tool of physics. Okay, and now move forward, and let's take another topic. The name of the topic is a plane angle. A plane angle. Plane angle. What is the concept of a plane angle? I think angle is something you can say, by using angle you can find out the angular orientation of a one line with respect to another line in a plane. Is a concept of a 2D Cartesian system. Okay, like you can find out what is the angular orientation of a line OA days with respect to OA. This known as a theta. uh, we always try to find out the value of theta. Okay, and this concept is so helpful for us. And now the question is that how to find out this angular orientations. I think in a mathematics, and you know what is the relation between a radian and arc and radius. You know a delta L is equal to r delta theta. Okay, you heard about this relation delta I is equal to r delta theta. You also can say arc length is equal to a radius into angle, into a radian angle. Okay, and you also know, you should also know a 2 pi radian is equal to a 360 degree, and you also can say one periphery. These are the some standard definitions of a angle, because these are the some standard is chosen as a reference. Okay, and okay, now the move to the next topic, that is solid angle concept. It it is so interesting a concept, solid angle, because uh, there are a lot of students don't know about a concept of solid angle, because you cannot you may not feel this concept. Okay, that's why I'm taking this concept, and uh, I'm taking so much time. And first thing is that what is a solid angle? Solid angle is something you can say it's the concept of a field. It's why this concept comes to the picture. A measurement of a measurement of flux. measurement of a field flux. Because of this a concept is coming. Okay, and like we have a sphere, we have a sphere. Okay, now we have a sphere, and our interest to find out, like our interest to find out, it was is it mm, mm, our interest to find out how to define a solid angle. The unit of solid angle is a steradian. Steradian. Like now the no we know in a sphere the whole like let's take origin around this origin, the whole part is filled by a sphere. Whole part is filled by a volumetric uh, body. Okay, and our interest to find out, our interest to find out how much angle is obtained by this surface, how much angle obtained by this surface, like the area of the surface is delta A. Our interest to find out this solid angle. Okay, so we define a solid angle as a concept of like you can delta A upon R square gives the solid angle, solid angle for this surface which is the part of a sphere. This is a most part, which is the a part of, is a part of sphere. Okay, is a part of the sphere, or like follow the rules of the surface. The surface area follows the rules of sphere. That in that condition we define the concept of a solid angle. It's the restriction because solid angle is defined for a sphere and plane angle is defined for plane angle is defined for like radian is defined for plane angle. Okay, these are the some fundamental quantities, fundamental rules and regulations you should have a proper knowledge about this. And best of luck, and we will meet again in next lecture. Thank you, all the best.